Yo, so I've been getting a lot of DMs about how I can buy XRP. What are the steps? Pay attention to this 60-second video and I'm going to show you step by step how to buy it and also a certain wallet that you can protect it in. Now, the number one thing you want to do is if you have an Apple or an Android phone is you want to go over to your app marketplace and you want to download this free cryptocurrency exchange right here called Uphold. Download it to your phone, create a free account, set up all the security measures, and follow these next steps. Step one that you want to make sure that you do is at the bottom of the app, you'll see some different prompts. You're going to click on transact, then you're going to be brought to this screen. You're going to type in XRP. You're going to search for it. You're going to click on it. As you can see, XRP is trading at 47 cents per coin. After you click on transact, you'll be brought to a screen like this right here. This is where you'll type in where your money's coming from and where do you want to put your money to. So this is where you go from fiat, which is cash money, to digital currencies like XRP, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. All right. The next steps after this is you're going to type in the amount of US dollars you want to spend. As you can see, if I spend $100 right now at the 47 cent price point for XRP, I'll receive 209 coins plus some change as well. After you confirm that amount, you're going to be brought to this screen right here. It's going to show you the deposit fee. It's a 2.49% fee, which is kind of high on Uphold. However, you got to pay to play in this space. So pay your fee. You'll receive $97.57 after the fee, which will be an amazing price point that you'll receive XRP, and you'll be appreciative in the future. The very last step is getting your XRP as well as all your other crypto off the exchange. One of the wallets that I would suggest is the Exodus wallet. It's one of the highly secure places where you can stake and exchange your coins. Listen, make sure you do your own research. Don't take what I'm saying as financial advice. However, it's what I'm doing. And if you want to get like me, make sure you guys DM me, follow me for more tips and tricks in the cryptocurrency space, and we'll see you soon. Let's go.